Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary delight with a recipe for golden brown sugar glazed rice flour stripes. So, let's jump right in. To kick things off, let's add some boiling water to our sticky rice flour. This little trick will give us a dough that's soft and ready to shape. Now, take that well-kneaded dough and roll it into a nice flat disc. Then, with a touch of artistry, divide the dough into little stripes, each a tad thicker than your average finger. Grab a baking tray and line it with parchment paper, our secret weapon against stickiness. Arrange those stripes with a little breathing room and pop the tray into the freezer for about half an hour. That's our trick for getting them just right. Let's talk about that magical brown sugar syrup. No need for an exact recipe here. Start with a splash of water, and if it gets too thick, a bit of more water will do the trick later. Heat it up until it's dancing with bubbles. Once it cools, you'll see it transform into a slightly thicker marvel. Now onto the stovetop action. In a flat pan, let a smidge of oil work its magic as we pan fry those stripes to a golden perfection on all sides. And here comes the grand finale. Line those golden stripes on a plate and let that delightful brown sugar syrup cascade over them. Ladies and gentlemen, your culinary masterpiece, the golden brown sugar glazed rice flour stripes, is now ready to take center stage. Give this recipe a whirl and be sure to drop me a comment about your tasty adventure. Thanks for hanging out, and until our next delicious rendezvous, take care!